तेरा 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 शुरू.
Hello. Yay! Kamya Singh. Hi Kamya.
चलो खोलने का काम तुम्हारा है. आपको आवाज आ रही है? इसके टूट चुका है ये. काम्या थैंक यू सो मच. सॉरी वो ट्रैवलिंग में आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सा क्रैक हो गया.
This is Mama Mary and Jesus. And this is the first Christmas gift that I have received and I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. और ये बहुत सारे clips हैं जो मुझे shooting में बहुत काम आते हैं. Thank you.
A card for the most special
Person in our life.
Oh, that's for me. Ha.
You know?
To Karan, Merry Christmas to you. Oh, these are Christmas gifts. Thank you so much, yeah. Merry Christmas to you too. Says to Karan Thacker, Merry Christmas. Keep smiling. May this new year bring in a lot of happiness. From your die-hard patients. Kamya, Zarka, Kritika, Isra, Shabila, Ariba, Aarti, and Bhavna. Wow, yeah. So that's Zarka, Isra,
Heart patients there.
Shabila, Ariba. It sounds, they all sound like,
Arriba.
yeah. A big salam to all of you. And thank you so much, Aarti and Bhavna and Kamya. I think this is very cute, yeah. I have seen angels in the sky. I have seen snowfall in July. I have seen things you could only imagine or see or do. But still, I haven't seen anyone sweeter and cuter than you. How sweet, yeah. Thank you so much. You all have not even met me, but you know, you all say such wonderful things about me. Honestly, it's very sweet. It says, hey Karan, how are you? How are you, dude? Thank you. How's life? Life is very good, yeah. I hope life is brilliant for you all also. I guess busy, yeah, very busy. You are one successful winner. Thank you very much. You've become an inspiration for millions. Having you in my life is a very beautiful feeling. Sachi mein, in brackets. You make us feel very special. Thank you so much, guys. Though please, don't use me as inspiration. I think there's very highly successful people in the world. You should use them as inspiration. I'm very small. Proud to be a KTN, and you are whom we love a lot than anything, and no matter what, we will love you forever. Okay, this one's from Ash, if I'm reading that right. Hi Karan, I love you a lot. You are the sweetest person I've come through. My question is, who's your biggest fan ever? I don't want to be biased like that. I think everybody is just really sweet. Honestly, I know I don't consider you all to be fans. I think I consider all of you all to be well-wishers. You know, there's so many emails that I get, and you know, there's so much I read on Facebook. It truly feels very it's very humbling that all of you all write such sweet things, and you all wish for the best for all of us, for that matter. So I think you know, I'm a fan of you guys more than the other way around. Thank you. This one's from Zarka. Karan Thacker, the name that drives me crazy. You are the most friendly, loving, down-to-earth actors Indian television has ever witnessed. Thank you very much. You know, I love reading all this about me, by the way. There's another one. This one's from Kamya. She's written a song that I'm recently obsessed with. Actually, even she and I both are recently obsessed with. It's Enrique's song. I know it sounds pathetically girl-like, but I like his music. In this crazy world of choices, I've only got a few. Either you're coming with me or I'm coming with you. I'm happy to have found you, Thacker. Thank you so much. You know, you know what I love? That every time you all write mails to me or anything, you know, you all use my last name, like how all my buddies use it. You know, people call me Thacker, nobody calls me Karan that much. So I think it feels very close and warm. You're my biggest first and last crush. I hope I'm not your last. I hate being someone's first and last. It's too much responsibility. I've never seen a person like you, so sweet, humble, talented, handsome, sexy. Sexy, thank you. Words become less when I describe you. You are the best. Every time you make me shabdless. Sone Pe Suhaga segment, they're always big wala smile. Even we love watching our segments, honestly. It's always been a treat for me to watch. Eager to see you in Bollywood, hopefully, 2013. Would like to thank you for wishing me on my birthday. Like I said, I genuinely feel like I'm a Hallmark card. You know, I go around wishing everybody happy birthday, but I wish all of you all the best. This one is to Ashima D. इसमें बहुत सारे दिल आए हैं आशिमा के लिए. ये सारे चाहते हैं कि तुम्हारे पास इतने सारे दिलों कि तुम हर एक दिल में कम से कम एक लड़का बसा सको. ये वीरेन के लिए, ये करण भाई के लिए, ये लास्ट वाला अभी हम ढूंढ रहे हैं, कोई नया लड़का ढूंढ रहा है आशिमा के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच काम्या फॉर द लवली Christmas gifts and wishes. In fact, she was just cribbing, and it was on her status that it doesn't feel like Christmas. Kamya,
beauty.
ये मुझको फाड़ के खोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हर जगह से टेपें लगी हुई हैं.
हाँ. The courier people have.
हाँ, ये कुरियर वालों ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेप्स लगा दी हैं, सो ये फट रहा है. डोंट थिंक मैं इतना जालिम हूँ. You know, she's like one of those children who always want to say what the other person is saying to sound cool and burst their bubble.
Yes.
I know you are, no? I know. I figured you want to be like that. So this is Santa's putting the Christmas. He's putting up the Christmas tree and he's putting the star on the top, like the way I like it. So thank you so much. This is from Kamya. Very thoughtful. Yeah. This says to Karan Dhaharka, a very happy Christmas. That can wish us back to the delusions of our childhood's days, recall to the old man the pleasure of the youth, and transport to travel back into his own fireside and quiet home. I have absolutely no idea what that means. I'll have to read it again. But I must say, Kamya, you have some brilliant handwriting. Yeah, very badi saaf suthri hai. Thank you. A very Merry Christmas to you too. Yeah. This is from Kamya, Zarka, Isra, Shabila, Ariba, Bhavna, Ariba,
And
Aarti
Kritika.
and Kritika. They are all
Your beauty is the reflection of what you are from. Your beauty is the reflection of what you are from side. A wonderful soul. Don't know from where should we start, so I'll start from. We love you, Crystal, a lot. Thank you, guys. Love
wonderful
you.
soul.
Yes.
Keep up the good work. Believe in yourself.
Hey, Crystal, how are you?
Hey Crystal, how are you? What's up? Congratulate you for the winning filthiest actress. क्या? अच्छा sorry, fittest actress. ये कौन सा अवार्ड जीता अकेले? मेरे को तो नहीं मिला यार.
Hey, Crystal, how
Bollywood?
what's up?
तुम साउथ से?
तुम्हें पढ़ लो यार, पढ़ लो.
Irritating है ना?
You are a girl crush for us. How sweet. Whenever we see you, we totally get lost in your eyes and beauty. It seems that we are in heaven. You indeed have had the most beautiful eyes on the planet. On Earth, I just said planet. To be cool. Keep up the good work. Believe in yourself because we believe in you. Stay blessed and happy. Love you, Crystal.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. ये कौन सा गाना है?
Your hair gets
हाँ.
overwhelmed.
The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell.
You don't know.
चलो, बहुत हो गया. Hey Crystal, how's you gal?
I have never been so much addicted to a girl, but the day when I saw you, I just. What is this?
So now you want me to read. Obsessed.
I'm just obsessed to you. Katie, you are like an angel came from heaven to direct who steals everyone's heart, including me. I'm just crazy about your style and especially your eyes and smile. तुम सा नहीं देखा.
She means
तुम सा नहीं देखा. Your acting in every episode is just fabulous. You bring it in your style, which directly touches our heart. You are the real diva. You look beautiful in any type of outfit, be it western, salwar suits.
वाकई यार ये मैं भी मानता हूँ. I think Crystal genuinely looks way more beautiful in Indian outfits than Western.
The way you laugh at Katie's pranks is just damn adorable. No, I don't find them funny, but I just laugh because.
Because they
See, because I have to. Just be the way you are.
As long as they love it, baby. That's what matters.
So now what else?
There's one more you want?
You read.
Jump? No, okay.
You read.
Crystal D'Souza.
Interview, you know?
Crystal
Two
D'Souza.
people.
The name can drive anyone crazy. मैं भी मानता हूँ ये बात. पागल हो जाता हूँ मैं कभी-कभी तो.
You're drop dead gorgeous, I repeat that. And all attempts to describe you implodes before they begin. You are a flower in full bloom, as if through a mist of first gloom. You are fine line that holds beauty, so fragile it seems, yet so pretty. For Karan Thakur and Crystal D'Souza from Amna Malik.
Hi Amna.
Hi Amna. For Karan, lots of love. I love the gift wrapping. I don't want to open it only. I love the gift wrapping.
Dear Karan and Crystal, hi. My name is Amna and I have been one of your most
Fervent fan.
fervent fans. Wow, I haven't heard that word before. Yeah, fervent fans since the inception of the show. Your portrayal of Virika just continues to Reform my belief. No, reform my belief in romance and the eternal beauty and purity of relationships. I absolutely agree. I just said this
Yesterday.
to her yesterday. In fact, that both of us, for that matter, we love the bond Viren and Jivika share. I think it's just it's absolutely pure. The sizzling chemistry between the two of you lights up the screen every single time and is always one of the most looked forward moments of my day. May the both of you continue to prosper, both personally and professionally. Lots of love, Amna Malik. At Silva Ash 111 is her Twitter ID, so guys follow. Please post crying pictures more frequently. I mean, she's a big star. Yeah, she doesn't take pictures with me and all. Yeah. It's very difficult to.
He spoke very casual.
Oi, there's pictures behind. Oh, I would have let this go.
Oh, this is one of the nicest scenes.
This is one of the most interesting scenes. She and I weren't talking on this scene.
Yeah,
हम लोग का झगड़ा चल रहा था
झगड़ा चल रहा था हमारा.
क्योंकि क्रिस्टल मुझसे बदतमीजी कर रही थी ना कुछ ऐसे कुछ था, है ना?
Really.
बड़ा प्यारा सीन था ये. This I don't remember what it is.
This is my चूड़े की रस्म.
It
when
possibly
I
can't be a chuda. You're already wearing
नहीं,
it.
when we had to take it off. And I came to you and you said कि इतने 1 साल से तुमने पहना हुआ है.
बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है क्रिस्टल की ब्लश और लिपस्टिक. So soft. But very sweet, यार.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amna.
Thank you so much, Amna, for sending both of us tabs. I think it's really thoughtful. As much as I always say that, you guys should refrain from sending all these expensive things here, or especially all the way to India. But nonetheless, both of us really appreciate it. I think it's very sweet, and I think you're going to make me switch from being a Mac user to a Samsung user now. So thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Amna. This is really sweet, and this is a very expensive gift, and I mean, the both of us keep saying that, not this expensive, dude. But thank you so much, and I'm surely gonna use this.
कभी मैं मॉम अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठा हूँ तो मैं यही उनसे बातें करता हूँ कि मुझे बड़ी हैरानी होती है कि जिस तरह से आप लोग अपना प्यार भेजते हैं. मेरे रूम में इतने सारे चार्ट पेपर्स लगे हुए हैं फोटोग्राफ्स के साथ, एंड देयर सो मेनी, आई हैव अ ह्यूज, आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ कार्टन्स एट होम, विद सो मेनी पिक्चर्स एंड थिंग्स दैट यू ऑल कीप, collages you all make, the letters that you all write, with all these colorful pens, and the beautiful drawings that you all make, the cards that you all get us. I think it's so sweet, yeah. I mean, I don't know, I'm just, for a lack of a better word, I think it's very, very sweet, the way you all selflessly do this for all of us, and I think it's just adorable. Thank you, yeah.
I mean, most of you all don't even know us personally, and
none of those people
No,
know
I'm
us.
saying you all don't even know us personally, and most of the time you all send so many gifts and so many cards, and say such nice things about us that like I was having a conversation with my brother also the other day that I told him, why don't you go buy me some gifts? He's like, your fans are there for that. But that's how much you guys love me. I don't think my brother would go out of the house and go get me something, but you guys think so much, put in so much thoughts in your card, the color of the gift wrapping. I mean, you'll know I love blue, he's a boy. Blue, I mean, I love pink, he's a boy, so blue. I mean, so much of thought goes into every card, into every gift. Thank you so much, guys. Really, this means a lot.